Today we are diving into the world of crypto cards with a detailed review of the Ledger CL crypto card. Let's uncover its features, benefits, and whether it's worth your investment or not. First, the Ledger CL crypto card is one of the latest innovations in the crypto world, offering a seamless way to manage your digital assets and spend them in the real world. Let's break down its key features. The Laser CL crypto card supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, allowing you to load and spend various digital assets effortlessly. Whether you are into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, this card has you covered. Security is paramount in the crypto space, and the Laser CL does not disappoint. It leverages Laser's renowned security technology to keep your funds safe for potential threats. With advanced encryption and multi factor authentication, you can have peace of mind knowing that your crypto assets are well protected. One of the standout features of the Laser CL crypto card is its user friendly interface. Setting up the card and managing your funds is a breeze, even for newcomers to the crypto scene. The Initiative app interface allows you to monitor your transactions, check your balances, and adjust your settings with ease. Now let's weigh the pros and cons of the Laser CL crypto card. On the plus side, it offers robust security, wide cryptocurrency support, and user-friendly functionality. However, some users may find the card's fees and transaction limits to be a downside. It is essential to consider these factors based on individual needs and usage patterns. The Laser CL crypto card presents a compelling option for crypto enthusiasts looking to bridge the gap between digital assets and everyday spending. With its security features, cryptocurrency support, and user-friendly interface, it's a worth addition to your crypto toolkit. As I browse through the options and services available here, I notice there is quite a range to choose from. However, if you are seriously considering investing, it is essential to delve into the comprehensive details of the Laser CL crypto card. One effective way to do so is by exploring Reddit discussions to gain insights into how others are faring with the Laser CL crypto card. Search Laser crypto card or Laser wallet on Reddit. Then you can see there are various people talking about these things in Reddit. Thanks for joining me for this review of the Laser CL crypto card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency and tech.